trotters.
Oh, I fancy a carrot. Oh no!
Where's carrot gone?
Where's grapes gone?
Where's strawberry?
Yay! Carrot is back! Hi! Hey, grapes is back.
I had more limbs than this earlier.
Who did this to you?
The mean you.
I'm just gonna go to the shops. I'll be 2 minutes.
See you later, Bandit Apple.
I wonder what that was.
Ah!
Here's strawberry. There's a bit missing.
I was shot.
Who shot you?
Bandit Apple.
The end. Thanks for watching. Better watch out for the bandit apples. Bye. The Big Fight by Barney the Dinosaurs.
Come on, guys, the coast is clear.
Oof.
Hello.
Hi.
Is he all right?
Should we go and help him?
Yes.
I'm wounded. I'm wounded. Help me.
We can help you. Let's just kick him over first.
Guys, let's run.
Zombie thing!
I'm sick of running. Let's just make friends.
Yeah! The end
Of our show.
Thanks for watching. Try to make friends. Doesn't matter how rotten they are.
Nahida's Archon Adventures.
Hello, Isla.
Boing, 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 boing.
Roof, 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 roof.
Boing, boing, boing. Let's play Ball Island, Flopsy. Boing.
The end. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye. The abduction.
Oh, I fell in poo.
Can you smell something?
I'm being abducted.
Ow. I'm molten.
Abducted.
The end. Thanks for watching. Bye. Just safe by the Juicy Pickles.
Let's go get some ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream.
Oh my god, there's an alien in here.
Done. Go away.
Get out. What are you doing, Gregory?
Something really weird.
Shut.
Yoda, are you okay?
Yoda dead.
Shut. I know, I'm magically died.
Meatball.
Plot twist.
There we are alive, you suckers. Alien death. Alien resurrection. Oh no! Alien revenge. Resurrection. The end. Thanks for watching. See you later. The Corrupted Island by Pickle Dickle Shark. Sploosh.
Way.
Sploosh. Sploosh.
Run away.
Boom.
Doof.
Boom. Boom. The end. Thanks for watching. Sharks and bombs ain't never good. Bye.